Hey everyone, welcome back to new content of Cybroses. In today's video, we will be discussing about CRM scheduling activities of Odoo 18. So Odoo CRM module offers the way to schedule activities to help sales team manage their interactions with leads and opportunities effectively. Now let's dive into the CRM module. So if you want to configure the activities, actually you can just move on to the configuration, and here we can find the activities, and let's move on to the activity types. So you would be able to find all the activities that are configured with the details of the activities such as the name, default summary, planned in, type, model, as well as icon. And by default, you know that activity types will be having uh, a list view. And if you want to just switch between the views, you can also switch that. So there are different types of activities. Like Odoo provides various activities types such as calls, meeting, emails, tasks, and to do. And you can create a custom activity type to match your specific workflow. So by clicking on new button, this would allow you to create a new activity. Over here, you have to fill out the name of the activity. Under the activity settings, we can also just provide the action such as none, upload document, phone call, text reports, and all. So in this way, we can create new activities. So we have already discussed about how to create activities and all. Now let's see how can we configure the activities in the pipeline. So in this case, you can find that there are the activities which are configured into a particular task. So the gray clock simply represents that we have been scheduled an activity, and there are different activities and all. So here you can see that the envelope icon indicates that the activity scheduled hour is an email, and the paper icon or this shows that we have the document icon shows that we have scheduled an activity like the quotation. That is, the paper icon simply represents the quotation. Now a group of people represents that we have a meeting, and the font represents that we have scheduled a call. Likewise, we can schedule the activity from here. By clicking on the gray clock icon, you can see we can schedule the activity. So here you have the activity type, and you can simply choose the activity type, provide the summary. Let's say it's discuss proposal, and here you can set the due date, assign person, and everything. We also just need to open the calendar in order to schedule the activity. So I'm gonna schedule the activity over here, and you can see everything will be done, and the um, discuss proposal, that is the summary that we have given, will be treated as the event name. We can see the start date and end date with time, everything. And you can also find the attendees. If you want to add new attendees into it, you can add that. And if you want to just have the video call URL, you can also set that. So if you have the Odoo meeting and all, you can set that, and we can just copy this link, and we can just share. So let's say give an alert that important meeting, and let's save this, and we can just share the um, link to the attendees. So in this case, we can find all the attendees over here, like and as you just move on to the pipeline, and when you just move on to here, you can see the next meeting that is set. And if you want to send this to, I mean, if you want to send this link to your attendees, you can easily send that from the chatter and click on send. So likewise, we can also manage the activities from a particular um, task directly. So without scheduling the activity from here, we can also schedule the activities or set everything. So in this case, you can see it's been set already. Now let me just create a new task. Let's say that we are just going to consider Azure interior columns, and let's set the priority. Let's set the amount and click on add. Afterwards, what we have to do is that we can simply drag it over here, and let's move on to the task. And currently you can see we haven't scheduled the activity from the clock icon, and we are just going to schedule the activity directly from the calendar. So here you can see, you can simply drag and place the activity time. And when you just do like this, the task name will be set as the event name, and you can find everything over here. Afterwards, if you want to set this for whole day, you can see you can just enable that. And you can also set the attendees, that is the person who conducts the meeting will be over here, as well as Azure Interior is the customer. So for him will be uh, setting the meeting. And if you want to generate the meeting link here, we can just generate, and let's click on save and close. So in this case, you can see we have just scheduled the meeting for whole day, and we can find the meeting over here, and you can see all the details. So if you want to make any further change over here, you can also just get that. So here you can find the details, like on February 28, 2025, we have assigned meeting, and that's joining the video call that is based on lead or opportunity, and from the your company Michelle admin. So if you want to make any further changes, you can simply choose the edit button and make further changes over here. Okay, so if you want to change it as not all day, you can just change that. So currently you can see how it's been set. And if you want to do a recurrency in it, like if you want to just have the meeting every day, you can just enable this field over here, and you can set have to set it as like weekly, daily, monthly, yearly, or custom and all. So that's how we just schedule with the activities. Now let me save that, and afterwards here you can see edit recurring, like this event, this and following events, and all events. So for the time being, we would like to record only this event, and let's move on. And here you can see now the time is just being changed, and the change can be found over here. So that's how we just deal with the scheduling activities in Odoo 18 CRM. So I hope this video shows how can you manage or schedule the activities in Odoo 18 CRM. So if you want Odoo customizations or Odoo tutorial videos, feel free to contact Cybroses. So as always, stay awesome, and thank you for watching the video.